Hi, are you seeking to feel really, really relaxed again in your body and have the sense of, I have come home again and I'm back here in my own core and I feel really, really good inside myself, and have this feeling of self-love just welling up inside of you? Well, then I'd like to invite you to our February 10th massage workshop. This workshop is also an invitation for couples, seeing Valentine's Day is just around the corner. So we will be working in pairs, and we're gonna be using a technique similar to Touch for Health, where we not only have the beautiful experience of relaxing the muscles, releasing emotions, but also to go in that little bit deeper and asking the muscles what it is they're actually holding and what it is they would like to tell us. So warmly inviting you February 10th to our day workshop, directly followed by the Tantra Touch Temple. If you want more information, please go to our website tasteoflove.com.au.